Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I am back with my daughter Trencita, and we are going to show you this big braid without braiding. So for the beginning, I section off some of the crown hair, a good portion. Make sure that is not tangled. I just went through with the comb to make sure that it lies like I would like to have it. I split it into two and I give it a twist. Like this you can adjust and form a bit the crown hair, and then I attach two bobby pins to a strong elastic and I bring it diagonally on one side and then over this little ponytail and then again crossed over the first bobby pin. And like this the section holds perfectly, and this makes you just a less straight looking start for this not braided braid. Now I take side sections from both sides, the same quantity of hair, and bring in an elastic. We don't do any twist, nothing fancy, just bring in the little elastic and then take the next section and you go right under the little elastic you brought in before. We are going to repeat these steps. Your model can always help you to hold the hair elastic, and this works perfectly for any type of hair. You know that Trencita has a bunch of it, so I love to do big hairstyles on her, because now we are pulling the outer edges and we make it even much wider. But if you have thinner hair, this is a great way to give volume to your braids. You see here, always grab the hair by the sides. Now is only the ponytail that we have. Try to make the section more or less the same width, not to take a thicker one and a thinner one, because the beauty in this braid lays in the when it looks the same, when it looks equal. So try to achieve that. Keep on doing this until you reach the end. Then bring everything together at the end, and here I'm attaching just a little cord that I found with pearls in different sizes that I used for the ballet show, and I loved it. I just wanted to have a little extra on this braid, and it is very helpful when you stick the bobby pins there where you have the hair ties. So I am wrapping it around and then take a bobby pin and pinch this one right there where is the hair tie. So I'm going around all the sections until the end again. Actually, you can take any accessory. You can even take little bows, little flowers, whatever you have and what you like. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe, click the little notification bell, give us a thumbs up for this video. We are posting normally 2 videos every week, and if you have a request, don't be shy, leave us a comment down below and I will have that on mind for the next video. This is the final result. We left out the 2 little strands in the front. Big braid, no braiding, super easy and actually very quick to do. Decorate whatever you want. I hope you liked it and see you back soon here on our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.